Welcome to Stimco Technologies. We're dedicated to providing electrotherapy devices that are state-of-the-art in their design, giving patients an effective and non-invasive option for controlling pain. For over 20 years, electrotherapy has been used by doctors all over the world to help manage pain, to increase blood flow, decrease muscle spasm, improve range of motion, increase muscle tone, and reduce inflammation. In just a few minutes, you'll be ready to experience this non-invasive, drug-free method of controlling pain right from the comfort of your own home. But first, let's get acquainted with your new TENS device from Stimco Technologies. Enclosed is a copy of our product brochure, which answers many questions patients may have about their electrotherapy device, including possible pad placement. Next, you'll find a booklet marked Cautions and Precautions. Before turning on the device, be sure to read this important information. You will also find the instruction manual, which has material regarding the functionality of the TENS unit, along with helpful troubleshooting tips to make sure using your device is easier. Once you've reviewed this information, you're ready to assemble the unit. Your TENS kit will include the electrode package, wipes for cleaning your skin surface, a 9-volt battery and optional AC adapter, 2 lead wires, and of course, your new Intensity 10 device. To get started, open the back of the TENS unit, then insert the 9-volt battery and close the unit. Over time, in order to ensure functional safety of the device, change the battery as necessary. The device also includes an AC adapter option, which simply plugs into the side of the unit and then into your wall outlet. Next, you'll find 2 sets of lead wires. Before proceeding, be sure the device is turned off. Insert the plug end, which is the L-shaped side of the lead wire, into the jacket sockets on the top of the TENS device. The receptacle openings are marked by the numbers 1 and 2. Now it's time to open the sealed electrode package and remove the electrodes. But don't throw away the protective backing from the electrode surface, because it will be reused after your treatment session is complete. Next, insert the black and red ends of the lead wires into the electrodes. Be sure that no bare metal of the pins are exposed. When you press the on-off button on your device, the screen will light up, indicating the unit is ready to begin. This unit comes with 10 different body parts to choose from, making it the easiest and most effective TENS device available on the market today. Each body part has its own preset treatment program to ensure the best possible results. Press the S button to scroll through the body part icons, and you can easily customize your treatment according to the level of comfort and your doctor's orders. Press the T button to determine the length of treatment. There are 4 treatment times to choose from. You can also control the intensity level of your treatment, which is easily controlled by the up and down buttons. Slowly press the intensity button control until you reach the setting recommended by your physician or therapist. If you're using all 4 electrodes, repeat this step for both channels. You will feel a tingling sensation, which should be strong but still comfortable. If the stimulation levels are uncomfortable, reduce the stimulation intensity to a comfortable level and contact your medical provider. Please note this unit is designed to lock 30 seconds after you set your treatment parameters. To unlock the device, simply press the down arrow button. To turn off the device, press and hold the on-off button until the device powers down. Before applying electrodes, be sure the skin is clean and dry. Always inspect your electrodes before each use. Next, place the tacky surface of the electrode directly on the skin around the affected area. Be sure to apply the electrodes in the exact site indicated by your physician or therapist. Never remove the electrodes from the skin when the device is on, and never turn the device on when the electrodes are not positioned on your body. The electrode placement can be one of the most important steps in achieving successful therapy. If you have any questions or you are not achieving the desired results, please contact your physician about alternative settings or electrode placement. When the treatment is complete, remove the electrodes carefully. Place the electrodes back on the square Then disconnect the lead wires, but never pull on the wires as they can break. Next, return the electrodes to their original pack as they can be reused for multiple treatment sessions. And remember, electrodes are disposable and should be routinely replaced when they lose their adhesive nature. To reorder replacement electrodes, call us at Stimco Technologies.